Welcome to myUHN Portal Tips. Today I will show you how to download the MyChart app for myUHN Patient Portal. I will demonstrate using an iPhone 16, but the steps are similar for other phones and tablets. Please note that this process may look different on older phones and tablets. Find the App Store icon. It is a blue square with a white capital A. On an Android device, the Play Store icon looks like a white square with a colorful triangle on it. Tap on it. At the bottom right of the screen, you will find a small magnifying glass with the word Search underneath it. Tap on it. This is the search function. Tap on the search bar and type MyChart. Then tap on the search button. The icon for the MyChart app is a red file folder with a white heart in it. Look to the right of the icon. You will either see the word Get or a cloud with an arrow pointing down. Tap on it. This will start downloading the app. You may be asked to sign in to your Apple ID account to be able to download the app. When it is completed, tap on Open. On the left of the screen you will see two small boxes. Tap on them to agree to the End User License Agreement and Privacy Policy for MyChart. You must agree to both policies to use this app. To read the policies before you agree, tap on the words, End User License Agreement or Privacy Policy. When you are done, tap on, Access MyChart. This page will ask about notifications. Notifications are messages and updates from UHN. Tap, Continue. This message will appear. You can turn on notifications by tapping on Allow. If you do not want notifications, you can turn them off by tapping on Don't Allow. This page will ask about sharing your location. Sharing your location allows the app to only show you Canadian hospitals. Tap Continue. If you would like to share your location, tap on Allow while using the app. If you do not want to share your location, tap on Don't Allow. On this page you will be asked to add your organization. Tap on Search for an organization. Go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on it and then type University Health Network. Find the UHN logo with the words myUHN underneath. Tap on it. Then go to the bottom of your screen and tap on Add Selected Organizations. This screen is where you log in to your myUHN Patient Portal account. When logging into your account from a new device, you will need to complete two-step verification. If you would like to learn how to log into your myUHN account, you can watch our video, How to Log into your myUHN account using two-step verification. Now you know how to download the MyChart app for myUHN Patient Portal. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, contact myUHN support at 416-340-3777 or myUHN@uhn.ca.